Choosing tiles for a renovation, keep in mind a few things about tiles. This one here is a rectified tile. Rectified means that this edge here is very sharp, and that means the grout lines will be very fine. Sometimes you get tiles with a rolled edge and then the grout line is wider. So rectified tiles give a very fine grout line. It's also what we call the same all the way through the tile. The same colour, that is. That's beneficial, because if you ever got a chip in the top of the tile and it went down to what's underneath, if the tile is on a red clay biscuit or something like that, you will see that from the top. But if it's a homogenised tile, which means that all the colour is the same all the way through, like this one, then if you ever get a chip, you're not going to see it quite as much. Now, if you notice with this tile, there's a very slight sheen to this tile. Can you see the reflection in the middle? And yet, it's very matte to fit, to touch. But there is a slight sheen, as you can see when you move it around. This is called lapato. It's an Italian term. It means half gloss, half matte. And what's nice about it is it just has this lovely sheen, but you still get the grip and the safety of a matte tile. This particular one, 300 by 600, you can pick up in a tiles warehouse for only about $20 to $25 a square metre if you're lucky. So this is what's going on the walls in the bathroom, and also what's going on the floor in the laundry. It's got a little bit of colour movement in it, but the nicest thing about it is that little bit of sheen.